You know, the benefits are reduced number of CBP exams, front of the line for inspections, possible exemption from those randomized stratified exams, shorter wait times at the border. There's just, you can go on and on with the list of CTPAT benefits, but it's not an easy process to get through. You've got to make sure you know what you're doing, and you have to absolutely make sure that your entire supply chain from shipper to end user is in line in order to qualify for CTPAT. But I do know they've recently revised some of their benefits. They're trying to make it more beneficial to entice more people to use it. So if you want to ask about CTPAT, you can obviously reach out to myself or Deb. We'll get you with our consulting team here at Scarborough and find out if CTPAT is something that you're interested in, or, you know, if you could really benefit from it.